This chicken potato salad is juicy, spicy, crispy, perfect comfort food. And the best part, no deep frying at all. Today we are making chicken potato salad, a recipe that is full of flavor and texture. So let's start by prepping the chicken. Take one chicken breast and cut it into small bite-sized pieces. This size works best for even cooking and perfect bites. For the marination, add half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix it all really well. हर पीस पे अच्छे से marination लगनी चाहिए. Only once it's nicely coated, keep it aside for a few minutes to absorb all the flavors. Next, let's prep the potatoes. Take 2 large potatoes, peel them and cut them into thick chunks just like I'm showing here. Next, in a pan, bring enough water to boil. Then drop the chopped potatoes and let them cook till they are about 90% done. In a kadhai, heat 1 tablespoon oil and add the marinated chicken. This smells already so tempting. Let it cook on medium flame, cover with a lid and let it simmer for 7 to 8 minutes. Now we lift the lid and add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. Stir it and let the garlic cook for a few seconds to release its aroma. Turn off the flame and our chicken is ready. Coming back to the potatoes, as you see they are about 90% cooked. The knife goes in easily but they are still holding shape. Drain them using a strainer. Take a non-stick pan or tawa, add 1 tablespoon olive oil and place the boiled potatoes on it. We'll roast them on medium flame. Keep flipping them till they turn golden and crispy from the outside. To elevate the taste, add a small chunk of butter and continue roasting. No deep frying is needed. Just slow crisping on a tawa does the trick. And now they are nice and crisp. Add 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, salt to taste and half teaspoon paprika. Mix everything well. Make sure the masala coats evenly. This step gives the potatoes their final flavor boost. By the way, these potatoes also go really well in fruit chaat too. Do you want a recipe for that? Let me know in the comments below. Crisp them a bit more and we are done. Now the chicken is ready too. Let's add our crispy potatoes into the same pan and mix it all together gently. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice for some tang. Turn off the flame. Add some chopped coriander leaves and a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce. I am using red chilli hot sauce here. Mix well one last time and it's ready to serve. Serve it hot in a bowl. You can enjoy this as a full meal or even as a party snack. This recipe is nutrition packed. Chicken breast, high in lean protein, great for muscle building. Potatoes, source of fiber, potassium and vitamin C. Olive oil, heart healthy fats. Garlic and lemon boost digestion and immunity. Paprika and chili, natural metabolism boosters. Perfect for a wholesome lunch or dinner, tasty bhi or healthy bhi. Hope you loved this hearty chicken potato salad recipe. It's spicy, filling and super satisfying. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes. More such recipes coming soon.